What is it, guys? We're back out here at K-Fair BMW US Rider Academy, doing some demo rides. I am on the S1000R now. Okay, let me power it on like this. There we go. So a fairly aggressive position for a naked bike, I have to say. We got the stock exhaust on here. It's in rain mode. Let's put it in dynamic mode. Yeah, this is almost like a super sport position for a naked bike. Okay. Ooh, very agile. Quick shifter is like butter, dude. This is pretty cool. It's almost like the S1000R, you know, just without the fairing. It's a single R. Can easily flat foot. Got a slight bend in my knee, 5'10". Kind of sitting up on the tank here, you know, kind of like a sport bike position. My knees are up. They're pretty bent, as you can see, and I'm kind of leaning. I would say it's more aggressive than like a Ninja 1000 position, but it's not quite as aggressive as the S1000R. I'm just gonna use quick shifter. It's so good, man. 666 miles. That's not a good sign. It's warmed up now. You can see how the red line moves, you know, as the engine warms up. It's a really nice feature of BMW, so I like. It's almost like a S1000R with handlebars, if that makes sense. Getting a lot of wind, which is, you know, to be expected on a naked bike. Feels good actually right now since I've been sitting in traffic. The suspension rides a lot smoother than than you would think for a real sporty type of bike like this. I mean, it's not a super sport, but it rides a lot better than I thought it would, to be honest. And I'm sure it's because it's electronic suspension. Now, electronic suspension these days it's just so good that it can, you know, automatically adjust for all the riding conditions. And this thing just wants to go though, man. Like, I mean, you could sit here and, you know, it'll putter around just fine like this right here, but man, all it's wanting to do is tell me, dude, what are you doing? Open this bitch up. It's like I'm just playing around with it, just riding like this on the street, you know. It just wants to be opened up. It's a nice bike though. I don't know if it's particularly for me. If I'm gonna have something this aggressive, you know, I probably would just go ahead and get a super sport, to be honest. It gets up, but it's like I said, man, I'm not even getting into the power on this thing, man. But it feels a lot more stable at speed than my MT-07 does, that's for sure. Which a lot of that is just basically the suspension, you know. It's so sharp though, man. Just like the front end wants to just like kind of fall in, you know, to the curb. It's like so sharp. I can't really hear it that well though with that stock exhaust, unless you try to like get up in the RPM bands, you know. But it's nice though. It's really nice. I like it. Let's see how sharp it is on this upcoming kind of roundabout we got going. Alright, well there you have it. I didn't do a lot of talking the last bit of the ride, but it was fun. It really dipped into that corner. Very nice. Just, you know, had somebody ahead of me. Couldn't really get down like I wanted. But yeah, looks good. It's good. You know, good looking naked bike. But you can kind of see that kind of sloped front end I was talking about, how it's like real aggressive, high foot pegs. You know, yeah. I don't know if I'd choose the black. I think I like the white because of the, you know, it kind of contrasts with the black frame a little bit better. But yeah, really nice motorcycle. I really enjoyed that actually. Cool. Alright, well, stay tuned for the next ride. I'm not sure what I'll ride next. But yeah, if you liked it, hit it with a like, subscribe for more. And until next time, we'll see you.